Hello, here we are again. We have a robot that was brought to us by a webelos scout who is looking to get its motors reattached. As you can see, this guy has suffered a little bit of detachment here, and I don't mean the... Let's see, what do we have? Well, first of all, it is a Mio robot. It's got two motors, a controller board, a head. Pretty straightforward. The only thing is that we have to figure out is polarity to make sure that we hook up the motor in the right order here. So we've got one motor here somewhere. Here's the other motor right here. So this one right here has lost both of its connections. So we're going to have to investigate that in a minute. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to set this up in, let me see. Let's set this up in stand mode. Maybe, yes, no, maybe not. Well, this is going to be interesting. I can't quite solder one-handed. Well, anyways, I'm gonna have to... So, what you want to do is you want to get your soldering iron up to temperature, first of all. So we just leave it plugged in for a few minutes. This soldering iron is pretty nice because it's got lights on it, so you can see what you're doing. And we have some basic 6040 rosin core solder. It's okay for this application. It ought to do just fine, and because it's rosin core, it'll spread a little bit easier. So, anyways, you always have to make sure to heat up your joint first. So make sure to heat up that connection really well. And you can see the solder's flowing. I'm going to have to put this down for a minute. Okay, we got this one soldered back to life pretty easily. Just got a little bit hot there, so one lesson learned was there's this little holder, plastic holder, that should probably come off first, so just to make it easier to do the soldering. And this one here, I've determined that the this one over here is negative and this one here is positive, so that if they're both hooked up the same way, they are both turning in the correct direction. In this case, for whatever reason, positive voltage makes it go backwards, and I'm pretty sure that the circuitry figures all that out for us, because there's no other way that it could work. Alright, so anyways, I'll just solder up the other one and put it back together. We'll show you the completed thing.